Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends. How are you?
Welcome back to my channel Storyland Official, and very warm welcome to all the new members who have recently subscribed my channel. Thank you very much for your support, comments, queries and suggestions. I am Muhammad, and today we are going to learn about shapes. If you are visiting my channel first time, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's start today's lecture. Shapes. At first we will talk about 2D shapes. They have two dimensions, length and width. The first shape is circle. It has no sides, no vertices, curved line. Next is triangle. It has three sides, three vertices and straight lines. Next is quadrilateral. A shape with four sides, square, rectangle or rhombus. Next is pentagon. Five sides, five vertices, equal straight lines. Hexagon. It has six sides, six vertices and equal straight lines. Next, we are going to talk about 3D shapes. Have three dimensions, length, width and height. Our first shape is cube. It has six faces, six vertices and six equal edges. Next is sphere. This was the end of this video. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn more, please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.